Hey, this is Jared. We're talking about knowing the difference today between an executor and an administrator. Now, this has to do with probate law. If you're here in Louisiana, we call that a succession. So, if you have a will and you say, here's the person that I want to help divide my assets, decide what happens, actually go through and sell my assets at the end when I die, that's an executor. Make sure you have a will. This is very important. Now, let's say you don't have a will. What happens? Well, typically your heirs will come forward and they'll be the administrators, and that has to be approved by the court. So what if your mean cousin Ricky's the one that becomes the administrator and he screws everything up? Well, there's only one way to fix that. Make sure you have a will. It's super important. In your will, you get to decide what happens to all of your property, whether it be community or whether it be separate property. Now, community property, obviously, if you only own half of it, you can only control half of it. Your spouse could control the other half. But that half, you get to decide what happens. You also get to decide who the executor is that decides any sort of issues, actually goes through and sells it, and whether or not they get money out of it. These are all things you can lay out in your will, so it's really important ahead of time to do that. You don't want the state deciding what happens to all your fun jewelry. You want to decide that. So if you have any questions and you need something with probate or successions, come in, talk to us at the Bradley Law Firm. We're happy to help. Thanks.